In this video, we will introduce the prep for C1000-197 IBM Certified Guardium Data Protection v12.x Administrator, Professional. IBM C1000-197 Certification Overview. Recommended skills. Master exam objectives. Study strategy for exam success. 1. Where should administrators first look when Guardium anomaly detection is not producing expected results? A. Baseline configuration settings on collectors. B. Appliance firmware version history. C. Report builder custom templates. D. LDAP server connection logs. 2. What 2 tasks should administrators schedule to maintain long-term appliance performance? Choose 2. A. Periodic log rotation and cleanup. B. Manual shutdowns after each policy update. C. Continuous disabling of anomaly detection. D. Regular firmware and patch updates. 3. Which 2 steps must be taken to configure Guardium groups effectively for access and policy management? Choose 2. A. Assign members based on database roles or departments. B. Create groups only on aggregators for scalability. C. Define group-specific permissions and roles. D. Restrict groups to a single appliance only. 4. Which 2 elements must be configured when defining a Guardium policy for monitoring sensitive queries? Choose 2. A. Policy rules with specific conditions. B. Enforcement actions such as alert or block. C. Appliance firmware upgrade schedules. D. Database license type allocation. 5. Which factor is critical when planning integrations between Guardium and ticketing systems like ServiceNow? A. Ensuring that Guardium supports SNMP traps. B. Confirming API compatibility for automated incident creation. C. Assigning the ticketing system as a collector appliance. D. Using Guardium's central manager to run ServiceNow scripts. 6. What is the purpose of Guardium Installation Manager, GIM? A. Facilitating installation, updating and configuration of agents. B. Capturing change audit information of configuration files and more on the database server. C. Specifying the database platform and the instances that the STAP monitors on the STAP host. D. Monitoring activity between the client and the database and forwards that information to the Guardium collector. 7. What is a key function of the audit process builder? A. Creating manual logs of all database security events. B. Assigning custom firewall rules to audit-based policies. C. Automating workflows for auditing and compliance reporting. D. Encrypting policy results before sending to external systems. 8. How can administrators identify and fix issues when Guardium backups fail repeatedly? Choose 2. A. Check available storage space on the appliance. B. Review backup destination path and permissions. C. Disable all active policies until backups succeed. D. Reinstall the Central Manager appliance. 9. How can a data source be created for use with Guardium Classifier application? A. Using Guardium STAP. B. Using database platform. C. Using data source Guardium API. D. Using uploading a Word doc file. 10. What Guardium command or utility helps administrators review current system configuration details during troubleshooting? A. Show system. B. Guardium check. C. Config list. D. syslog analyze. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.